for Saturday, August 5, 2023. Severe thunderstorm watch issued. Valid from 1:30 p.m. until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Scattered thunderstorms are forecast to intensify this afternoon into the evening and spread generally from west to east across portions of eastern Colorado, northeast New Mexico, and the Oklahoma-Texas panhandles. Scattered large hail and isolated significant very large hail events up to 4 inches in diameter likely. Scattered damaging winds and isolated significant gusts up to 75 miles per hour along with a tornado or two will also be possible. Be sure to subscribe for future severe weather updates.